You will take a surface road all the way, steadily gaining elevation until you reach your destination. The views along the way are amazing. Lake Tahoe is approximately 1,600 feet deep, making it the third deepest lake in North America. The bottom of the lake is 95 feet lower than Carson City, Nevada. One stop along the path, you will be overlooking Crystal Bay, high above the casinos and the California-Nevada state line. The California-Nevada state line goes through the Cal-Neva, hence the name. The Cal-Neva Lodge was built in 1927 as a guest house for prospective real estate developers. It soon became the lake's first gambling resort. The first rustic lodge burned to the ground in 1937, but was quickly rebuilt in a mere 31 days. Lake Tahoe is so clear that in some places objects that are 67 feet below the surface can be seen clearly. Lake Tahoe contains 39 trillion gallons of water. This amount of water could cover the entire state of California with 14 inches of water.